Okay, my name is Asad Yaqub, and we are going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's take a start. Do you enjoy shopping? Turn it on, please. Now it's on. Yeah.
Yeah, oftenly I enjoy shopping because it is very cool to shop some clothes, etc.
Do you prefer to shop in town or on the internet?
I prefer to shop in town because I think so there are most of variety to look than internet.
Okay. In your country, at what times are the shops generally open?
In my country, mostly the shops open at 12 p.m. 12 p.m.
Okay, where do you buy your food items?
I buy my food items from any mall.
We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a shop that recently opened in your city. Here is the topic. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
The shop recently opened in my town is a shop which having garments, and this shop is very near to my house, and when I want some clothes, I go to this shop, and this is not much expensive, and I like the variety of garments are very good in that shop. I like to go there. The shopkeeper is also very humble and noble, uh, and
Yeah.
I prefer to go that shop.
All right, thank you very much. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. How have people's shopping habits changed over the past 5 years?
I think so. The shopping habits are changed uh, 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 because before 5 years there are some people used to shop from local shops, but now I think so mostly people use internet for shopping.
Do you think that most shopping will be done online in the future?
I think so is very because it is very it
Will smaller shops survive in the current retail system?
smallish. Please repeat.
Will smaller shops survive in the current retail system?
Smaller shops. I think so. Smaller shops.
All right, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Now, listen, the first thing is in part 1, your answers are very short. Mostly, for example, do you enjoy shopping? Yes, I enjoy shopping. And hardly you say some more. Try to answer in 4 5 sentences. And in speaking part 2, first you tried to stop at 30 40 seconds. And then again, you finished speaking part 2 at 54 seconds. So you should try to speak for 1.5 minutes. That'll be better. And in part 3, you misunderstood 2 questions and still your answers were very, very short. So just try to add more to your answer, and you're taking a lot of pauses. After 2 3 words you take a break, and then the next words. Try to speak sentence by sentence, but at present you're speaking word by word. So looking at your overall performance, still generously I'll give you 5 pen. Thank you.